Hello again, traders. Right, I just got back from a walk and opened my charts, and as always, I have one eye on the clock. I would want to be looking at this instance, 11:45 close, the 15-minute candle close, see what happens. So I'm looking at the 15-minute now. But a couple of things. I got asked a question on Twitter about how many trades I make a day. I think a week was in the question as well, and quite frankly, I did answer, and the answer is it all really depends on candle closes now and how much screen time I want to spend. So literally, I can come in at, I said it depends on the hourly and M30 closes, because obviously those will give decent size pullbacks. But even the previous 15-minute close, which was also the 30-minute close at half past the hour, we're 43 minutes past the hour, so 30 minutes past the hour, that candle close and there's a pullback. So that wasn't even the point of this video actually, but as the question was there, I wanted to answer it. So literally, this is your 1 minute pullback swing, and we can do that on the line charts to clearly see the swings. That was the high, swing 1 down, swing 2 up, swing 3, swing 4, and there's the continuation. And we can't actually see the correct configuration of the sort of RSI bust pullback break and close, because there isn't one. But that is a clear downtrend. It would be better, and this is why I used to say shallow. The shallower the reversals, the better they are, because if we had a kink there, say, like this situation here, if we had it there, then we are literally below a level of buyers, in other words, below a level of support. So this is hypothetical, but I can trade this now. That's the point. Through candle open closes on the 1 minute, I can even visualize, don't even have to look at the 15-second, the quarter-minute chart, but I can visualize it. And in this instance, GJ, pound yen, there was, say for example, if we took it based on this 15-second quarter minute candle, or here, say, for the break of the low there, that is a 6-pip trade. Now, the scalpers I used to sort of be in awe of were getting these all day long, 30, 40, 50 trades a day, and I could never understand how. They never explain their processes, these ex-pro traders I talk about on Forex Factory. They just used to show piles and piles of winning trades. No idea why they didn't show the processes. They shared, their results, and they shared sort of what they did, but never blow by blow like I do. There's an up move here, and it will be related to the candle close. That's a 2B as well, of course, and there's an up move there. Now this you could call a shallow, super shallow reversal, because that would be the entry, the break of the sellers that created that lower low. I know it's difficult to see behind there, but that is what I was trying to explain up here. That the stop should be somewhere around here, or obviously based on the wicks, and then your target here or here. Now, this was the reason for this video, this new video. What was I looking at before this, or was it this chart? We were on the 15, weren't we? Ah, yeah. So the whole point of this video, let's get rid of that. We don't really need to get rid of them. Was to point out, which I don't do often enough, that even though, because everyone seems to, that it is wrong. This obsession with getting RRR, 3-to-1 risk reward and all that malarkey and above, and they think they're so proud of themselves because they stuck to this stupid rule. My target for this little, well, it's a 1, 2, 3 high low in this instance, but it is a 2B here. That's swing 1, that's swing 2, that's swing 3. That's the break through it. That's the high. This is the entry. This is the target for this. Now they'll be going, oh, this is an FVG, da 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 da. This is a liquidity hunt. Here's our target. There we go. My target is here. I know this will most likely get hit because of the 2B rules, but I want these internal targets. I want to scalp this for 3 or 4 pips or 5 or 10 pips or whatever it is. I know, and I've said this years ago, years and years and years ago, this will cause a problem. We all know it. So why not just trade to it? And then when it pulls back, if you want to find another absolutely perfect 3CR system entry here to target that, then do so. But take chunks out of it and then walk away. So part of the reason for this video was because of that question, because people don't think outside the box, in my opinion. They're all looking at these SMC and RRR and ICT bullshit rules, and they're not looking at how to make money out of this in the least painful, stress-free way. And the least painful, stress-free way is taking 5 or 10 little trades out of this move here when it follows my rules. And you know, I'm thinking of these quarter-minute time frames now, so they're waiting for a 1 minute or a 5 minute or a 10 minute or a 15 minute or whatever to look perfect like this. I'm looking internally to those moves. As long as I can make a profit from it, and a safe fast profit, these moves happen in minutes or sometimes seconds, but I try to, you know, the certain brokers and such like don't like scalpers, so you have to bear that in mind, of course, and get a happy medium on the length of time you're in trades and so on and so forth, to stay under the radar. But anyway, I've digressed enough. There's the point I'm trying to make here is, if you open a chart every 15 minutes, you're quite likely to find a valid trade using these rules of mine, if you embrace every time frame. And we can go further down than quarter minute. You can go every 5 seconds or 2 seconds or 1 second or whatever, you know. So think outside the box, people, because all of these crappy rules by these crappy scammers are, you know, an RRR. I've said this a long time now, for years, in fact, decades now, in fact. RRR is bullshit for most traders, especially scalpers. Ex-city traders laugh at people that quote risk-reward ratio. I'm telling you, I promise you that. Anyway, sorry about the rant. Have a good day. I'm off to do another 10-mile walk in the sun or more. Thanks for watching.